Hi guys, it's me Mitch002. We got here the OnePlus 6 flagship phone. So recently OnePlus has already released its own flagship under the OnePlus series. So it's my privilege here to unbox it right here, right now, just for you. Okay, so we have here a white box. Okay, similar to the OnePlus 5 box previously. So you can see here it says that the speed you need. Okay, so of course sporting the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon series. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so I will check the specs inside a little later. So we have the 128 gig. We have the white version here. Okay, lucky us. So we go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, so pulling it out from its cover. So yeah, we got the white version here. Pretty good looking phone. So good thing that OnePlus placed its camera in the middle. Okay, unlike those who copied the iPhone X series, which normally place it here on the left side of the phone. So yeah, you can see designed by OnePlus. Okay, let's take a quick look. Okay, so okay, the ringer button here, ringer toggle, power button here. Okay, we need audio jack. Okay, USB-C, loudspeaker, the volume rocker, SIM ejector tray, and of course the noise cancellation mic on top. Okay, so let's turn this thing on. Okay, so this is one of my favorite flagship. Okay, other than that, not bad. Bang for the buck. Okay, Oxygen OS 5.1.9. So okay, let's see. We have here, it's a 8 gig of RAM and 128 gig of storage packed inside this model. Okay, so let's see. Okay, everything is pretty good here. So we installed PUBG and other games inside, so really have no problem running a lot of games here. So it's pretty much fluid as expected. Okay, so let's see the camera. Okay, so it's really crisp. Okay, so we'll take some shot later during our review. Okay, so we'll post more of our review. Okay, so basically this is it for the unboxing. So let's see what's inside the box before we end it. So we have the dash charger and the USB Type-C cable. So got here a case, of course. Okay, so SIM ejector tray, user manual, and of course the case. Solid cardboard here. Okay, so I guess that's it for me at the moment. It's me, Mitch002, signing off.